But you can also earn money on your whole team, meaning referrals of referrals. This is based on something called P1, P2, all the way to P9 ranks. To reach P1 rank, you need to refer a minimum of 3 people directly, have an amount of $100 staked yourself, as well as have a total team staking volume of $30,000. Then you would reach P1 rank. Now you will earn 10% on the entire team's staking reward every day. This is really powerful. Now for you, for example, to go to the next level, P2, then you need 2 teammates on 2 separate teams to become P1 rank. When you have 2 separate legs with a P1 member, which does not have to be direct, then you're qualified to become P2 yourself. Then suddenly you have 19% of team earnings. This is an infinity unilevel breakaway plan. Means you will get paid a 9% difference between P1 and P2 for those 2 who already become P1. But an open line, you have 19% on that entire team's daily staking rewards. For example, if you start a new team, by the way, you can have as many teams as you want, you will have 19% total on that new team. And of course, it goes down all the way to the last person on your team until another ranked teammate. Just take a look at some income examples. If you personally refer 3 people, let's say one person stakes $1,000, he receives $10 per day. You receive 15%, which is $1.5 for 360 days, giving you $540 in earnings. Person number 2 took $500 for 180 days. That gives you 0.8%. He receives $4 per day. You receive 60 cents every day for 180 days, giving you a profit of $108. Person number 3, putting $5,000. Staking for 360 days. He receives $50 every day. And you get $7.50 every day for 360 days, giving you a net of $2,700. This is based on the direct referral earnings. Now let's take a look at the team earnings. Just take an example that you are P4 level. That means on your team's daily profits, you are matching 37% each and every day. So if your team has a staking volume of $50,000 at the 360 days with 1%, they will receive $500 a day collectively, and you will get around $185 per day, which is 37% daily match on profits, for the entire 360 days, which will generate a total net earnings of $66,600. Say your team is growing, and suddenly you have a whole team with $250,000 volume. Same idea, 1% per day, $2,500, you start receiving $925 per day for 360 days. That's a total earnings of $330,000. And then we can calculate the next level with 1 million staking in total team volume. Collectively, your team makes 1% per day, which on a million is $10,000, and you receive 37% match, which is $3,700 per day. The total net you would make over 360 days would be $1,332,000. However, these calculations are based on open lines, meaning no differential with other ranks. Remember, if you're P4, you also have 2 P3 members who break you off, and you earn a difference which is 9% override. But let's say you are P4. You can just open new teams and start building. That is how you can maximize your rank differential percentage as the highest. Not to mention, for direct teammates, you have both the 15% plus your rank percentage. So as a P1, it would be 10% plus 15% equals 25% daily match on direct teammates' profits. How is all this possible? Because we are not paying the company anything to join. We are just staking, meaning we are putting 100% of your funds to work. How do they make money to pay us? It's a great question. And here is the answer.